Okay students, today's session we are going to discuss about some inspirational business leaders. In yesterday we are discussing about Jamshedji Tata and Swaraj Kar. What are their achievements and what are their success in business organizations and how started their business life. And coming to today's session, in this session we all are know about. In this session, I would like to tell about Aditya Birla and also about Ellen Mittal, Lakshmi Narayan Mittal. Aditya Birla and Lakshmi Narayan Mittal. Aditya Vikram Birla, a famous Indian industrialist. A famous Indian industrialist. We all are know about IDEA, a cell phone group of companies. It belongs to Birla group of Birla companies. So Aditya Vikram Birla was an Indian industrialist, a great Indian industrialist. Was born on 14th November 1943 in Kolkata. He was born on largest business families in India. He oversaw the diversification in his group and diversification of his group into textiles business. He facilitates his business into success planning. He oversaw the diversification of his group in textiles and pharmaceuticals and also telecommunications. He was a businessman, Indian businessman, expand his business over abroad countries, setting up plants into South Korea and also Philippines and also some other countries. Here some information about Aditya Birla. I gave some information about Aditya Birla and also I am showing the picture of Aditya Birla. He is Aditya Birla. Students, please write down all these points and you also get some information from our textbooks. So students, this is the information about Aditya Birla. So I already told that Aditya Vikram Birla born on 14th November 1943 in Kolkata. At an early life, he was born on 14th November 1943 in Kolkata. He was an industrialist. He was born to an industrialist named Basant Kumar Birla. His father name was Basant Kumar Birla and his mother named Sarala Birla. He born to Basant Kumar Birla and Sarala Birla. His grandfather, a well-known person, Ghanshyam Das. His grandfather Ghanshyam Das Birla was an association of Mahatma Gandhi and had built his fortune on aluminium and as a manufacturer of Ambassador car. We all know about Ambassador car. Ambassador car came from the family of Aditya Birla group of industries. We all know about Ambassador car. It is an Indian brand car. It always contains its name, Ambassador car. And Aditya Birla coming to Aditya Birla's education, Aditya Birla completed his degree course in Chennai. And he studied engineering. He returned to India in 1965. He studied his degree, chemical degree in engineering at abroad. After his completion of education, he came into India in 1965 and he handed over his father's companies, Birla's companies, and to run. And he is not satisfied with the running of his father's companies. He also an ideas about his own business and he also his ideas about how to expand business. He is a great businessman. He is a great thinker. He is a great person to achieve more success in his business. So he always thinking about how to introduce new innovations, how to success in different sectors. So with these ideas, he started his own textile business in Eastern Spinning Mills, as Eastern Spinning Mills. So become instant with in the Kolkata. Become instant with his father's business in Kolkata. With this, he gets success. How to find out different ways to success. He also started his business in rayon and synthetics and textiles businesses also. This was, however, this was just the beginning of his showed immense and paved a group of towards to achieve success. With every assignment handed over, Aditya Birla challenges was not expansion of the group of textiles business not only. So here Aditya Birla wants to increase his success in telecommunications business also. So these are the important and eminent points of Aditya Birla. And Aditya Birla, I already told that Aditya Birla's grandfather also. And coming to his information, please write down these points, students. He born on 14th November 1943 in Kolkata, and also his spouse, he married Rajeshri. He's married Rajeshri Birla, and his parents named as Basant Kumar Birla, Sarla Birla. Basant Kumar Birla also a famous industrialist. His father, Basant Kumar Birla's father named as Ganashyam Das Birla. I already told that he associated with Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhiji, who was the founder of Ambassador Car. And also he had children, two children, one daughter and one son, Kumar Mangalam Birla. We all know about Kumar Mangalam Birla. Now he performing Aditya Birla Group of Industries as success lead. He performing all activities of Birla Group of Industries as successfully. And Vasavadatta Bajaj. She is the daughter of Aditya Birla. Aditya Birla's daughter Vasavadatta Bajaj. And his occupation, we already know that, former chairman of Aditya Birla Group, which is founded by Ganashyam Das Birla. His group instituted here, sadly tell about his death. Aditya Birla died in 1st October 1995 at the age of 52 years only, because he suffered with prostate cancer. Because of prostate cancer, he died in 1995 at the age of 52 years. Son and aged father or get his business after his death. They are moved to success lead his business after his death. His group of instituted the Aditya Birla scholarships in his memory. Scholarships are given by his memory. On his memory, over 40 scholarships are given by Aditya Birla groups. Some of the examples are these: Indian Institute of Management, Indian Institute of Technology, and also Birla Institute of Technology and Science, and also Faculty Management Studies. These are some examples which are taking scholarships on the honor of Aditya Birla, which scholarships are given by Birla Group of Industries by the honor of Aditya Birla. Aditya Birla, a special commemorative stamp has been issued by the honor of Aditya Birla by Government of India. In the name of Aditya Birla on 14th Jan 2013. To honoring him as India's first global industrialist. India's first. He is the India's first global industrialist. In 1973, he established P.T. Igland Textiles Manufacturers worldwide and also marketed group of ventures to Indonesia. And in 1974, he started Rayon Group of Industries, Vexon Rayon Staple Fiber Business was. In 1975, the Indo-Phil Group of companies was started by the first step into Philippo joint venture commenced in production of spoiled rind. Though his companies had over 70,000 employees, Aditya Birla was actually generating indirect employment more than 2 lakhs people. Besides giving name of one of the largest industrial empires in India, Aditya Birla also served as a governor of Reserve Bank, India, and also a director for Air India, and also a director for the Indian Fund. So, with his business views and his success, he also a director of Reserve Bank of India. He also get the position in a director in Reserve Bank of India. And some awards are taken by Aditya Birla. Numerous awards and well essential awards are taken by Aditya Birla. Some of the awards are here. Outstanding person of India, outstanding young person award by Bombay Metropolitan in 1978. Aditya Birla get a outstanding young person award in 1978, which is given by Bombay Metropolitan. And an outstanding citizen award get by Aditya Birla in 1984 by Bombay Metropolitan. And also he get a man of the year award by Amaravati Chamber and Industry. And then he also get business leadership awards by Madras Management, and he also get award named as Businessman of the Year, Business India. He get also Rashtra Bhushan Award by Foundation FIE. So numerous awards are get by Aditya Birla. In Aditya Birla was employed by Aditya Birla companies were employed by 70,000 around people. And actually, Aditya Group of Industries are Birla Group of Industries are indirectly employing people. Indirectly 2 lakhs people were employed by Aditya Birla Group of Industries. Indirectly 2 lakhs people were working together to Aditya Birla Groups. They get employment by Aditya Birla Group of Industries. And Aditya Birla gave a quotation to management. In his views, what is management? We already know what is management. Here we are discussing about some inspirational persons who are achieved success and who are render their service to Indian economic growth. By the success of all these persons, Indian economy, Indian industries are very developed. So they all are very crucial persons, very important persons to our Indian nation and also our Indian people. So students, in the view of Aditya Birla, what is management? I will show the quote given by Aditya Birla. What is that? My vocation is strive continuously to reach excellence in all spheres of management by weaving the threads of enterprise, knowledge, experience, ideas and tasks into fabric that can be called management. In views of Aditya Birla, management is his vocation is to strive continuously to reach excellence in all spheres. Which spheres? In space of management by viewing the threads of enterprise and knowledge, experience, ideas and also tasks into fabric that can be called as management in the views of Aditya Birla. Now coming to next inspirational leader. Here we are discussing about some business leaders, inspirational business leaders. And another inspirational business leader, Lakshmi Nivas Mittal, the steel magnate of India. Lakshmi Nivas Mittal always finding success in failures. Because here I want to give an example about Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. He purchased the steel companies all over the India or all over around the world which are in losses. When he purchased the steel companies which gets losses in all aspects. he develops the companies by his vision. So here Lakshmi Nivas Mittal is steel magnate of India. He is very interested in steel business. He is very interested in steel business. His father Mohanlal Mittal also is also a steel businessman. Here Lakshmi Nivas Mittal is a steel magnate of India. Here some information about Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. Please write down all those points, students. Here I want to show Lakshmi Nivas Mittal's picture. He is Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. He was born on 15th June 1950. He was now 62 years old. He was now 62 years old. In Sadalpur, which belongs to Rajasthan in India. He born on Sadalpur, which belongs to Rajasthan in India. And also he studies BCom graduation from University of Calcutta. His occupation is the steel magnate of India. Chairman of HLR Mittal Steel, HLR Mittal. He also called as King of Steel. He also called as Steel Magnate of India. He married Usha Mittal. He married Usha Mittal. He have two children, Vanisha Mittal and Aditya Mittal. His daughter Vanisha Mittal's marriage is most expensive, second expensive marriage in the world. He celebrate his daughter's marriage. He celebrate his daughter's marriage. World's second expensive occasion. And awards. He get Padma Vibhushan Award in 2008. And Forbes magazine recognized the Lakshmi Nivas Mittal as third richest person in the world in 2005. In 2005, Forbes magazine recognized that Lakshmi Nivas Mittal is the third richest person in the world. And some awards are received by Lakshmi Nivas Mittal are here. In 2008, Padma Vibhushan Award, which is given by Government of India. He get Padma Vibhushan Award, which is given by Government of India. And also Forbes Lifetime Achievement Award by Forbes. Forbes Lifetime Achievement Award by Forbes. European Businessman of the Year by Forbes. Steel Maker of the Year. In 1996, Steel Maker of the Year award also get by Lakshmi Nivas Mittal, which is given by New Steel Limited. Here I want to show the inspirational quotes by Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. The first one is he gave many more inspirational quotes to us. From his views, his ideas, his life career, we must know about how to develop our career, how to handle our different situations in different conditions, and how to take decisions in different situations. So Mittal says that at the end of the year, you all are keep emotions away. You have to keep emotions away. This is a wonderful quote, students. Please understand the quote. At the end of the day, you have to keep emotions away. So life is so many life is with so many confusion, so many problems. So at the end of the day, we all keep away all emotions and breathe. And coming to next one, when people can see which direction the leader are going, it becomes easier to motivate them. I already told that leaders, the efficient leaders not making followers. The efficient leaders always make leaders. So Mittal says that when people can see which direction the leader are going, in it becomes easier to motivate them. when people knows the leader goes in which way, then people may motivate easily. So these are the important points about Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. So Lakshmi Nivas Mittal, a great steel man of India, steel magnate of India. So Lakshmi Nivas Mittal also rendered his services in different fields. He rendered his services in sports also, and he rendered his services in medical fields also. He contributed 1.5 crores to Abhinav Bindra for his career development. He rendered his services to all other fields also. He is a great philanthropist also. Lakshmi Nivas Mittal is a great philanthropist also. Mittal Championship Trust was set up with $9 million to support 10 Indian athletics. Mittal Champion Trust set up $9 million in US to support 10 Indian athletics. He awarded to Abhinav Bindra with 1.5 crore for his success in athletics. He also had corporate responsibility. Lakshmi Nivas Mittal also have corporate responsibility. A corporate social responsibility systems also set up by Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. In 2008, Mittal made a donation for 15 million to Great Ormond Street Hospitals in London. It is the biggest amount ever contributed by any businessman. And also, recently Mr. Mittal made a donation to 100 crores to PM Care Relief towards to COVID-19 pandemic. And also, here I want to tell about Mr. ASLR Metal Company. ASLR Metal Company is present in 60 countries and has industrial footprint in 19 countries. ASLR Mittal have iron ore mining activities in different countries. Here, Mittal expand his business views. Mr. Mittal expand his business industries to iron industries and all other industries towards to among world countries. Here, ASLR Mittal have iron ore mining activities in Algeria, Brazil, Bosnia, Canada, Kazakhstan, and also Liberia, Mexico, and also Ukraine and United States also. Lakshmi Nivas Mittal, steel magnate of India, and also he is called as King of Steel. So Lakshmi Nivas Mittal is the greatest person. He achieved many more awards towards to his services and also his business career. Lakshmi Nivas Mittal rendered his services in sports, medical, and also recently he gave 100 crores to PM Care Relief towards to COVID pandemic. He get many more awards like Padma Vibhushan and also lifetime achievements from Forbes magazine and also European businessman and also steel maker of the year. And students, we mustly get some inspirational message from Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. We mustly know about Lakshmi Nivas Mittal and his career and his life achievements and also about his awards and also how he is success in his various views, ideas. What are the ways he may follow? What are the views and what are the ideas, what are the opinions he may apply to getting success in his business? So those activities which are put him in a great position. And also, I already told that he is in 2005, Forbes ranked Mittal as a third richest person in the world. It is very proud to every Indian. He was the one of the richest person in the among old countries. So, an Indian person, Lakshmi Nivas Mittal, get the third richest person in the world. So, we all know about Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. We get some information, we get some life achievements of Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. We mustly understand about his career, his both, which are the services rendered by him, and also about his personal life, career, and also about his services. He studied BCom from University of Calcutta. Thank you, students.